Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So a few days ago, I was at the mall with my husband to pick up my birthday gift, and I decided to take some footage for you guys of some new items in the Chanel 21A collection and also some new pieces at Dior also. And I also tried on some bracelets from Bulgari. So I figured I would show it in this video, kind of like a shopping vlog. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into this video. Okay, so the first stop is Chanel, and here's a little sneak peek at what we picked up for my birthday present. And when I went to the Chanel boutique, they had just recently launched their pre-fall collection, so everything was so new and they didn't even have a chance to change up the shelves in the boutique to display these items. So this one is the rose gold mini reissue, and I think this is probably the most stunning bag out of this whole collection. I tried to color correct this the best to show the actual color of the bag, but it's this really stunning rose gold color, and the chain is also this kind of coppery rose gold color, so it's like the same type of color all throughout. And yeah, it's so stunning, but ultimately I decided that I wouldn't get this bag for myself because I didn't know how much outfits I have to match it. And then this bag is also super stunning. It is like close to $10,000, I believe. And if you guys recall that pearl Chanel bag from a few years ago, I think at this point, this bag is like that, but 100 times prettier in my opinion, and it just sparkles so much. And honestly, if money was not an issue, I would probably get this bag just to have as an occasion bag. And this one is a bucket bag with this pearl handle, and I honestly quite like this. I like that the handle is able to fold down. One of the issues that I have with bucket bags is that the handle kind of just gets in the way, and I'm not a super big fan of that. So I think that the way that this allows you to kind of fold the handle down is actually quite nice. And this actually could work as like a special occasion bag because of that beautiful pearl handle. And this one also has some pearls on the handle also. You know, it is quite a typical Chanel thing to do, to put pearls on things. So here, yeah, you can see it's on every other chain link on the handle. So this actually looks pretty nice also. It is a seasonal bag, so maybe it's not the best investment, but yeah, it does look quite nice, and I like how the chain hangs in the front a little bit. And the last bag that I tried on is this velvet bag, which is another seasonal piece, and it has all these crystals along the opening of the bag. And this one actually reminds me a lot of the Saint Laurent Lulu bag. And the next stop is Bulgari, where I went to try on their Serpenti Viper bracelets. This is actually an item that is on my luxury wish list this year, and this is the first time I'm trying them on. And yeah, I really like them. I was actually surprised though, because I have the Just Include bracelet in the small size, and that one, you know, when you put it on your hand, it is a little bit kind of flexible, but in comparison, the Bulgari bracelet is like way more bendable in comparison. So that was something that I wasn't expecting. And the only thing that is kind of worrying me about this bracelet is I kind of worry that eventually it's going to get bent out of shape, even though the sales associate said that she's never heard of anyone having that complaint. So let me know in the comments down below if you have this bracelet yourself and what is the wear and tear like. And also, while I was there, I also tried on their kind of more like bangle type bracelets. So they're kind of thinner, and they completely just wrap around with the kind of scales instead of having the head and the tail on either end. And honestly, that one, I really like it. And she had mentioned that a lot of people like to stack it with one of each, and this actually looks really nice to me also. Maybe in the future I might get a stack like this, And the last stop on the shopping trip is Dior, and I feel like every single time I go shopping, I have to stop by at Dior because they are just so friendly in there, and it's so easy to go in there and browse and not feel like you have to buy anything. And my sales associate there is super nice. She always has something to show me that really tempts me to buy it. So I was in there to look at their reverse toile de jouy items, and I think that it must be selling really well because I actually wanted to look at the navy reverse toile de jouy book toe, and they were completely sold out of that. So yeah, I kind of just took a look at anything that they had in that pattern. So I saw the navy one, the gray one, as well as the red one. I don't think they had the lime green one in stores when I was there. So first I tried on the Lady Delight, which, oh my gosh, that bag is so heavy, and I'm not someone that is super picky about the weight of my bags, but the instant that I picked this bag up, I told my husband this is such a heavy bag. And I have the medium Lady Dior in leather, and I think that this canvas bag actually weighs more than my leather version of the Lady Dior. That's how heavy it is. And I'm not a super big fan of the Lady Delight bag, but honestly, I really like that thicker shoulder strap that comes with this bag. I would totally get that shoulder strap on its own if it was available. I know they have, you know, like their guitar straps, like the shoulder straps that are sold separately, and they do have that in the reverse toile de jouy pattern, but I actually like this one a little bit more. The ones that they sell separately have the leather pieces on the side, and it's just a little bit too much hardware for my liking. And if I were to get it, I would get the navy reverse toile de jouy one to use with my ultra matte Lady Dior, and I don't want the hardware to clash. And yeah, I think Dior really found a winner with this toile de jouy pattern because it's so pretty, and every time they bring out a new version of this pattern, a new iteration of it, I'm just absolutely drawn to it, and it never gets old. Every time I look at it, I just think it is so absolutely pretty. And the last thing I looked at the store, it was actually kind of funny because once I entered the store, my sales associate was like, I have this mini Lady Dior to show you. I just wish that the color was a tiny bit less peachy. I don't think it's as visible on video as it was in person, but I think you can kind of still see it here because my blazer is a very true kind of light pink color, and in comparison you can see that the bag, even though it is pink, it does have this peachy tint to it. So yeah, the color is so pretty, but it's just not quite the color I was looking for. So my hunt for the perfect mini Lady Dior continues. So that is it for this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this mini shopping vlog, and I will be unboxing what my husband got me for my birthday in my next video, so definitely stay tuned for that, and I'll leave 2 videos on the screen for you to watch next. So I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.